You guys, we just bought more bird toys from Dollar Tree. And we got a ton of stuff, $42 worth of stuff for the birds. So we're about to go home and make some toys.
Yay!
We'll update you guys when we have all this scattered out. I mean, we got PVC piping from Lowe's, we got toys from Dollar Tree, toys from the 99-cent store. So yeah, all we gotta do is put this shit together. So, see you in a little bit.
Yeah.
What's up, you guys? So we just bought a bunch of toys for the birds, and we are going to assemble them.
Yay!
What's up, you guys? So we are about done for the night, and we got our bird stand, the bird gym thing, all completed. So you guys, check it out. We got little bells right here, and this is tape. Like, this is like some surgical tape that Chris bought, and then we got some like hair that's braided with cops and stuff. And then
the file is ready to upload.
We got some peanuts in here, and some like toys for them to play with the little big jingle thing. And then we got this little swing for Mango. Come on, Mango, let's go. Mango wants to go.
Then I don't understand.
Could you? You're not aloof then.
Come on, Mango, step up.
When someone betrays us, we sting.
Say hi, Mango.
But I have a calling home.
What you doing, Mango?
Fix mankind. And if it's
So
also
this is
something
our
she lost, but now that she has, I have an
bird
opportunity.
gym, you guys, and this is where the birds get to hang out. And we got Toki. And where's Mr. Smokey? Smokey.
Yes, Miss Lizard.
So that's it, you guys. We're calling it a night. We still have one more perch to build for the big birds, but for now, the conures are gonna love this. Say bye, Mango. Ew, there's that child over there.